topic is Animalia. Before going to start Animalia content, you need to know about diversity. What do you mean diversity? Diversity means simply we say that variations. What variations? According to the conditions of the environment, the living things, either plants or animals, which try to adapt the situations and adapt the conditions of environment, and it try to establish and it try to develop their structures and function. So based on those conditions, these animals are look different. That means it shows some variation based on the ecosystems. So we are discussing about Animalia topic, that means animals. We focus on animals diversity. Diversity means simply it is variation which animals adopt the environment. So environment means it is the global overall, but I wanted to explain here a region. So animals which are adapted in a particular region, will say that ecosystem. So that ecosystem, based on ecosystems, the animals adapted the conditions, so the next generations will be carry forward those conditions to continue. So for example, in India we have four types of ecosystems. We know that completely northeast, complete greenery with moisture, rainy fall. And the same time Rajasthan region, same quite opposite. Rajasthan region, it is Thar desert is there, high extreme temperatures with dry air will be there. And come to south, in the south region it is completely ocean, surrounded by ocean, and the tropical regions with the moist temperatures and some humidity conditions also there, with not much greenery like north. And north means northeast. And second thing, in the Kashmir region, if you see that Kashmir region, the temperatures are very low and less temperatures. We know that Everest mountain and snowfall and snow areas. So if you see that extreme conditions will observe in India. So based like that, those the animals which are live in a long period in particular areas, that means ecosystems, they adapt the conditions. The animals will be maintain those conditions to it adapt, and it change their structural and functional conditions too. Okay, this is called ecosystem. So this is called diversity in animals. Next one is evolution. Evolution means which the animals will be carry or adapt a situation in a particular area in the particular time. So the next generations also continue in that particular area for a longer period. That means a million years ago, some animals are reached in a desert area. So those animal next generations are sustained in that area only, because it is already the parents are adapted the conditions. So these new living things also born with adapted conditions, so it will be sustained there, and it longer period it will be continued. Those changes will be observed, that conditions are called evolution. So diversity and evolution both together, if you see that living world and the diversity of living organisms, they maintain two main important things here. One is so these are the best words. What do you mean that? Fundamental similarity and fundamental uniformity. That means a parent which is have a basic identification that will be carried forward to next generations too. So simple, humans, we are live in different ecosystems. Like in Thar desert also, the humans will be live, and in that Himalayan region also, the people are living there. In northeast also people are living. We are in the south, we are also living. So all of us are human Indians. So we have some basic color and also basic height and the conditions. If you see that the person is from India, so nobody will be explain that he is from that Rajasthan, Thar desert region, northeast, or like that. So that means that will be called fundamental similarity or uniformity. Amazing diversity. Amazing diversity means their food habitat or their dressing sense or their cultures and everything will be adapted in the certain regions. They will be continue those new conditions, that is called evolutionary conditions. Now the day by day they are upgraded, the people or any living thing, that is called amazing diversity. Amazing diversity means basic sudden change conditions, and fundamental similarity means they will be carry some traditional or some parent heredity conditions they will be carry. These two will be considered as diversity, and also we will also observe that evolution. So this is about introduction part about Animalia. Next we start with first one in the Animalia.